Imagine waking up one morning in the year 2030. You order your coffee, but no human takes your order. Your taxi arrives, but there is no driver. You visit a hospital, and the first person to examine you isn't a doctor. It's an AI. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening faster than anyone expected. Every month, artificial intelligence becomes smarter, faster, and cheaper. Companies around the world are replacing human workers with AI systems because they work 24 hours a day, never get tired, and cost far less than full-time employees. Some experts believe that by 2030, millions of jobs will disappear forever. But here's the shocking part. AI won't just replace factory workers, it could replace programmers, designers, writers, lawyers, teachers, and maybe even your own job. So, which jobs are most at risk? And which careers will survive the AI revolution? Stay with me until the end because the last job on this list might surprise you. Welcome to Jack Tech YT, let's begin. Job 15, Data Entry Clerk. For decades, companies hired thousands of people just to type information into computers. Today, AI can read documents, extract information, organize databases, and complete hours of work in just a few minutes. Large companies are already replacing manual data entry with intelligent automation. By 2030, this profession could become one of the first major victims of AI. Job 14, Customer Support Agent. Have you noticed that many companies no longer answer your questions with a human? Instead, you chat with an AI assistant. Modern AI can understand conversations, solve problems, process refunds, and even speak naturally in dozens of languages. Unlike human employees, AI never sleeps. It works 24 hours a day. That means businesses can reduce costs while serving millions of customers at the same time. This is why customer support is changing faster than almost any other industry. Job 13, Basic Graphic Designer creating logos, social media posts, advertisements, and even professional illustrations once required years of experience. Today, AI image generators can produce stunning artwork in seconds. Instead of hiring large design teams, many companies now use AI to create marketing materials instantly. Human creativity will still matter, but routine design work could become mostly automated. Job 12, Translator. Not long ago, companies needed human translators for business meetings, websites, books, and international communication, but AI has changed everything. Modern AI can translate dozens of languages almost instantly. It doesn't just translate words, it understands context, tone, and even emotion. By 2030, basic translation jobs may become rare. Only highly specialized translators will remain in demand. Job 11, Content Writer. Thousands of articles, blogs, product descriptions, and marketing emails are now written by AI. What once took a writer an entire day, AI can finish in minutes. However, human creativity, storytelling, and original ideas will still be valuable. The writers who learn to work with AI will replace the writers who ignore it. Job 10, Accountant AI can already organize financial records, calculate taxes, detect fraud, and generate financial reports automatically. Large companies are investing billions into AI-powered accounting software. By 2030, many routine accounting tasks could become fully automated. Human accountants will still exist, but their role will focus more on strategy than calculations. Job 9, Cashier. Walk into many modern stores today, and you may never meet a cashier. Self-checkout machines, AI-powered payment systems, and smart stores are expanding rapidly. Some stores even allow customers to simply walk out with their products, while AI automatically charges their account. This technology is becoming more common every year. Job 8, Driver self-driving technology is improving faster than most people expected. Cars, delivery vans, trucks, and even taxis are becoming increasingly autonomous. Although human drivers won't disappear overnight, millions of driving jobs could be affected over the next decade. Transportation may become one of the biggest industries transformed by AI. Job 7. Factory worker factories are becoming smarter every year. Modern robots can build products, inspect quality, package items, and work 24 hours a day without breaks. Unlike humans, robots don't get tired, don't make many mistakes, and don't require salaries. That's why manufacturers continue investing in AI-powered automation. Job 6, Software Programmer. For years, software developers were considered one of the safest professions, but today, AI can already write code, fix bugs, build websites, and even create complete mobile apps. Does that mean programmers will disappear? Not exactly. The programmers who only write simple code may struggle, but those who can solve complex problems, build AI systems, and think creatively will become more valuable than ever. In the future, AI won't replace the best programmers. It will become their most powerful tool. Job 5, Teacher. Can AI replace teachers? Not completely, but AI tutors are becoming incredibly intelligent. Students can already ask questions anytime, receive personalized lessons, practice with instant feedback, and learn at their own pace. By 2030, AI may become the world's most available private tutor. Human teachers will still be essential, but their role will shift from delivering information to inspiring and guiding students. Job 4, Lawyer. Preparing contracts, researching legal cases, reviewing thousands of documents. These tasks used to take lawyers many hours. Now AI can complete them in minutes. Law firms around the world are already using AI to save time and reduce costs. Courtroom arguments and difficult legal decisions will still require human expertise. But routine legal work is changing rapidly. Job 3, Doctor. This one surprises many people. No, AI won't replace doctors entirely, but AI is becoming one of the most powerful medical assistants ever created. It can analyze x-rays, detect diseases, review medical records, and help doctors make faster decisions. The future isn't AI versus doctors, it's AI working together with doctors to save more lives. Job 2, Video editor editing videos once required hours of work. Today, AI can automatically remove silence, generate subtitles, create background music, improve audio quality, and even edit an entire video based on a simple prompt. Creators who learn AI editing tools will produce content much faster than before. Job 1. Routine office. Jobs. The biggest change by 2030 won't happen in factories. It will happen inside offices, scheduling meetings, writing emails, making presentations, creating reports, analyzing spreadsheets. AI assistants are already doing these tasks. Millions of routine office jobs may evolve dramatically over the next few years. The future employee won't compete against AI, they'll compete with the help of AI. Final message. So, will AI replace everyone? Probably not, but it will replace many routine tasks. History shows that every major technological revolution has eliminated some jobs, while creating entirely new ones. The people who succeed won't be those who fear AI, they'll be the ones who learn how to use it. The future belongs to people who adapt. The question is, will you be one of them? If you enjoyed this journey into the future, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to JackTech YT, and turn on notifications because every week we explore the technologies shaping tomorrow. Until next time, keep learning, keep innovating, and keep looking toward the future. This is JackTech YT signing off.